Horses ang Luneta Park as to begin Port Angeles, Ora et Labora, then followed by Sky Glory and Dreamweaver is the early trail. Port Angeles, Royal side is Ora et Labora, Luneta Park in third is Sky Glory, and a long way back to Dreamweaver. We have Port Angeles by about half palengka. Ora et Labora is on the outside, then 3 lengths watching in third is Luneta Park, Sky Glory and Dreamweaver. Port Angeles, alright, Labora is on the outside, then trying to get close now in third is Luneta Park, Sky Glory and Dreamweaver. Port Angeles still in front by about 2 lengths. Ora et Labora, Luneta Park is Sky Glory is on the outside. Port Angeles, Luneta Park, Sky Glory on the outside, but it's still Port Angeles by about 2 lengths is Sky Glory in second, then racing in third, Luneta Park, Dreamweaver in last. They come down to the last 150, and it's still Port Angeles, and on the outside is Sky Glory, Dreamweaver. Port Angeles is Sky Glory, Dreamweaver is on the outside, Dreamweaver running on the outside. Port Angeles is Sky Glory, entering the finish line. It's still Port Angeles, Dreamweaver. Then comes Sky Glory, one Luneta Park, Ora et Labora comes in last.
Numero 3, Port Angeles, ang official winner dito sa ating race number 2. Na segundo numero 5, Dreamweaver. Daily Rawal sinabot ng 453,000, forecast at 384,000. Panoorin natin muli.